this one now in Jamaica, we call it donkey pee-pee. So like if we in the pineapple field, somebody and something get in your eye, you would like use this to get the dust out. I'm gonna show you when I finish.
Why do you call it donkey pee-pee?
You know, we have an African name, to be honest, you ask a good question. You have an African name, but Jamaican name rename everything. And yeah, so when you research it now, on the donkey pee-pee, you see it come up. So this, if you have cataract, and if you're going blind, this can prevent you from, you know, going blind.
Already blind.
Yeah.
Oh, like genetics.
Yeah.
I need to take some of that.
Yeah.
Right? So fancy better like me and you.
No one really. So this is it now. This is how it works now. This is the eye drop, and this is how it works. Yeah. Yeah, man. Make you see better. Yeah. Yeah.
Next week Saturday here.
No, man. This proper good man.
My daddy used to use it, to be honest.
Yeah.
I need more than one.
This proper good man.
People, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. Do remember, people, we have an interesting video for Uno. But before we get into the video, people, if you want to see things clearly and can see everything we are going around, make sure you put some donkey pee-pee in our eye. You hear me? But I don't know about Uno, because just by the name donkey pee-pee, I don't know if I can put that in my eye. But if you think you can put that in your eye, you know about this plant, leave a comment in the comment section below. And with that said, people, let's get into the next clippings. Now next up we have this artist goes by the name of Ziggy Bless, and this track is entitled called Gwe. You know, this was a track, you know, that Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV also had a hand in, people. Yeah, I am the producer of this track, you know me as a people. So I want to get familiarized with the artist name Ziggy Bless, people. So I want to take a listen right about now.
Gwe, 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 gwe. I want to sing boy, man. Real party.
Right away we see where the artist start off and say Gwe, 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 Gwe. Yeah, some of them people I need for Gwe. Go on side. We move from Boja. You know what I say? Right away the tune start off good and thing, people. You know what I say? The artists are get ready for forward and jumping at the lyrics, my people. So I like when me hear so far. Anyway, I like when me hear so far because I me make the music anyway, people. You don't know what I say? So I could take a listen now.
Both them in the place and I screw up them face. We tell them for go from Boya. And if I pitney them a rape, put my life at stake. We tell them for go from Boya. They come here with them a doda, I sprinkle your island powder. We from Boya. One thing them for do is give bless and toes and no push over. We from Boya.
Now people in here where the artists say, you know, you come with the island powder, you know, come sprinkle around the place, you know, for move from Boya. Yeah, move on, go from Boya. Artist definitely doing his thing right about now, people. And do remember this song is available on all streaming platforms. You know what I say? So make sure you go by Spotify, iTunes, wherever on the streaming the music. And do remember to stream this one, my people. So make we listen some more of the tune, no?
Stop watch me style. I've been around for a while. I watch out me business for them own and spoil. Stop watch out me profile. Disrespect and get bugs on them out. Them shoulda know who them talking about. Things that them a soldier, find out them a scout. That's why enough of them start my door.
So right then and there, people, the artists are making know say the local man them where analyze the kids them and them thing, they kidnap the picnic them and then do all sort of thing but with them people. Them for move and go. You know, when I stop burn them out and thing, you know me I say people, cause you don't know to bring harm to children, and children are innocent in this day and time, my people. It's really a wickedness and it's really a crime, my people. So all of the man them we are grape all the little girl them and them thing, my people. We definitely have to burn a fire upon them and tell them to move and go, people. So like me say, people, this song is available on all streaming platforms by the artist Ziggy Bless, and this one is called Gwe. So
where you go? Them look like a stray dog.
But wait. Oh, the blood clot you there, son.
Is this a work I look across the construction site in no ranking?
Oh, you are one of them bumbuckler labor right from down there, son.
No, Rasta.
And are you?
No ranking. I man is just a singer, you know.
Just a singer. Singer.
Stop that rain from blowing through my front door. Say she's leaving, she can't take it anymore. I wish there's something I could say to change her mind. It would be sun, it would be sun, sunshine.
On this blood clot.
Now, this is definitely a situation you don't want to get yourself caught in. Because you get yourself caught in a situation like this, then all sorts of things can reach you. You feel me, my people? Yeah, you know, so you have to be careful. I want to do it in the streets and thing. So if you proclaim to be a singer and you get caught in a situation like this, know that you're going to have to sing your way out, and I don't know how you're going to do that. So I could get into the next clip in my people.
Jamaican history trivia. Level hard. I bet you cannot get these correct. What name did the Tainos call Jamaica? A. Zaymaka. Who was the first Jamaican national hero? B. Marcus Garvey. In which year did the Morant Bay Rebellion take place? C. 1865. Which Jamaican leader signed the independence agreement in 1962? C. Alexander Bustamante. What was the main crop grown on Jamaican plantations during slavery? C. Sugar. Which island did the Spanish use as a base before losing Jamaica to the British? A. Hispaniola. Which Maroon leader signed a peace treaty with the British in 1739? C. Cudjoe. When did Jamaica become a British colony? B. 1655. What was the main cause of the 1831 Christmas Rebellion? C. Delayed emancipation. What was the name of the ship that brought indentured Indians to Jamaica? C. SS Blundell. This was hard. Comment below how many...
Now, as I sit here, I'm wondering how much of y'all got those questions correct. Now, if you got those questions correct, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know you got it correct. You know what I say? Because a lot of these things, a lot of Jamaicans don't even know. So I just decided to throw this little trivia thing in the video and hope that, you know, maybe can educate some of y'all Jamaicans out there. Let me know what you think. You know, my people, leave a comment in the comment section.
I don't know. You know, they're on the front look a while and say I used to make care a couple times. And just for me see, the look on him face, you know, may I say, something not really right with him. But anyway, come in the car. And for some reason, you know, I normally go up on film route and drop off him first. But for some reason, one man say, yo, drop off the passenger them before you drop him off. So you know, so I drop off everybody else. And I'm alone in the car and I see something upon him mind, something opposite him. I say, yo, I want to you, man. Man say, dog, right now I think if you get somebody to bail me. So I say, what you do? The man say, boy, I'm not do it yet, you know. But me I go do it. So I say, what am to you? Man say, dog, I don't even want to talk about him. I say, yo, youth. A long time I hurt. I may ask you a simple thing. What am to you? Man say, if me evil tell you, you're not going to understand. I say, what go on? Man say, yo, dog, I meet this girl. I like this girl. You don't know me and the girl a vibe. Me and the girl a link. I say, me I hear you, man. Man say, girl come my workplace all the while and him like the girl and him tell himself say girl like him. So the man say, him go in a one like a monthly partner where them a run in a film store and run where you throw $1,000 every day. So I say every day he hustle extra hard to make sure say he can put on in $1,000 for the monthly partner, because the plan we have for the monthly partner, if you go in the pig business, you want if you buy 2 pigs, start off the pig business. So the man I say all the while moms come where him there and my mom's a reason and him say him got mom's business place 1 and 2 times, and mom's are sure him a level say boy business kind of bad with her. So I say you really like moms and them a think about moms. He must say boy, you know, say a pig no one start up with me 30 grand, but you feel it for moms. And moms are showing me levels and he's saying go in a mom's place. And she say shelf really shaky. So I say because of that he asks mom say if he help her out to the 30 grand, if that could help her. He say mom say yeah man. So that boy say boom, and give moms the 30 grand. Man say yo, right a film store. Mom's gonna spend the 30 grand and stack up back her shelf. So the man say, but last week he realized mom's not really to pay him no mind like first time. And the man say he realized no matter when though, mom's not pay him the type of mind where mom's always pay him. So him say, him go around there today. If you go check mom, say ask mom say what really I go on. Man say when him go around there to blood clot, I want a man that he say locked down with moms in a bar near Motown. The man say, yo, he feel like a weird dog, he can't believe say, I saw the girl, deal with him and take him for fool. So the only thing he feel for do, I hurt her right now because he feel away. So I say, yo, you really are going to make 30 grand put you in a trouble. You really are going to make 30 grand damage your file out. You really are going to make 30 grand mash up your life. I say, I don't understand. I say, yo, a long time it hurt. A whole heap of things me been through. Man, I say, yo, no girl never play them with it. I say, you're a fool, man. You're a surprise for know what woman do me. So the man say, what you do? I say, what you mean, say, what me do? I see them and left them. The man say, how you feel that? Woman play and you see them and left them? I say, then what me do? See them and left them. I say, you more you understand this. Just like how you as a man see a woman and the blood start pump up in your body and you visualize what you want to do to the woman. The same way when a woman see a man, the same type of feeling come over her. Just like how you see a woman and all in your mind how you want hold the woman in your arms, how you want to do so many things to the woman there. The same type of feeling a woman get when she see a man who she like. So you have to understand this youth. If moms don't want you, she would have never play you. So I'm going to tell you what to do. You see, just like how you say you hustle, the 30 grand, if you throw the first hand in your partner, anytime the partner run for the next month, go back in the partner and hustle harder and make sure say you hustle back the 30 grand so you can start up your pig business youth. And understand this. A woman no have to take nothing from you if she really like you. A woman no have to trick you and tell you nothing if she really like you. Understand?
Now the moral of this story is be careful at who you find out there and I call on a woman. You know me I say, like the tune say, take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing. So that me I say people, cause you never know what the outcome may be, you know. Like him say him got the bar and him see her with the next man and thing. You know me I say, and say she a play him. I want to think about to do the girl all sort of thing. No good thing the little man you talk to him and hope him really take heed to it and thing, you know me I say, take him 30 grand and show him partner and can buy him pig farm and grow some pig and make some money. Feel me I say people? So you must all be careful who you not talk to out there, because you never know them. Later on them show them true colors. But let me know what you think about this situation, my viewers and subscribers, by leaving a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. And with that said people, I want to know walk good and live good and say God first. God is the greatest. And with that people, we soon in the next video.